Hey everyone, my name is Joe with Dark Shade Window Tint, and in this video we're going to be installing a clear 100% clear ceramic film that's going to reduce over 50% of the heat, yet not change the look of the business, and most importantly still let in all the natural light. So if you're a business or homeowner that wants to reduce a lot of heat, block a lot of harmful UV rays to protect the floors and furniture, but not change the look of the windows, and most importantly still let the natural light in, fill up the room during the daytime, this film is a great film. So let's go check it out and get started on this project. So the issue this client was having is that they have a lot of large windows in the front of their business, and during the afternoon time, around from 2 to 8, it gets really hot. The sun goes through these windows and it just heats up the entire room. Now the issue is they wanted window film that was going to reduce a lot of heat, but they also wanted it to be as clear as possible because they put up, posters, advertisements inside, and they want to be able to see inside without any issues at all. They want people in front driving on the street to be able to see the windows, see the advertisements, the promotions, and at the same time they did want to block that heat. So what we did is we installed a 50% ceramic film that is meant for double or single pane windows. Now in this case, this film comes with a 15-year commercial warranty, so it's made to last a very long time. This film is a little bit more expensive than traditional films, but at the end of the day it works, it blocks heat, and all around it's just a great film that's meant to last a long time and never bubble, discolor, or just change or fade over time like other lower quality films. So the installation process is very simple. What we do is we do a deep window cleaning before installation. So what that means is we have a special solution that we spray on the windows. We use then after that a razor blade to kind of take off any dirt, any debris. And then after that, we do a thorough inspection just to make sure that there's nothing left behind on the windows, because once you install that film, any little speck of dirt, anything, no matter how small it is, you will be able to see it, and it will look much bigger once the film's on top of the window. So what we do is after we scrape the windows, we do a final inspection, make sure there's nothing on there. Then we spray the windows again with our special solution, and then we squeegee off all the water access. And then after that, that's when we install the film and we squeegee out all the water, and then most importantly cut the edges of the film and just overall make sure that everything came out great. Now for this project, it was a pretty simple and standard project. The windows, they are larger, so it is, you got to be a little bit faster to make sure that there is no dirt, because dirt floats around, so we got to be much faster. But these windows are pretty standard. Now at the end of the project, everything came out great. The client loved it. It got exactly what they wanted. They wanted to reduce heat, in this case over 50%, block the UV rays so it won't discolor any portraits, any paintings inside, but most importantly they wanted this film to last a very long time. So this is an investment many business and homeowners should definitely consider to not only save on the electricity bill, make it more comfortable for clients or just for yourself in your own room or your own home, but most importantly protect also, you got paintings, you got furniture, the floors. So overall this project came out great. If you have any questions related to window tinting, such as pricing, warranties, different types of films and shades, just let us know. We always provide free estimates here in the Houston area. And most importantly, if you need any samples or just you need to talk to somebody about your situation to see if we can solve it with window film, reach out to us. You can call us or you can email us. And like always, see you on the next video.